Hi, Sean, Costa, Mesa R&D. Today we've got a Ford flathead cylinder head on our resurfacer, and we've set the thing up, and we're taking a very minimal cut, like about 1,000 and a half. It's touching here, it's touching over here, so this head does exhibit signs of twist. I'm going to show you how to resurface this. There's a guy that lives over here, John Murray. I don't know if he's ever done anything. He's got some fishing, 36 Fords and whatnot. He bought a building and he's got some big sign. Major sign. Anyway, he had a A-Series drove over there, picked up gaskets for this thing. Well, I think as you can see here, our head's cleaned up pretty well. We have some little areas here which still have a little corrosion, but we're not going to worry about that because that has nothing to do with the sealing around the combustion chamber on the cylinder head. Anyway, this is how it should look. Now let's go ahead and measure the RA. Alright, well, we've got the profilometer hooked up here. I didn't say prophylactic, I said profilometer. We came out with an RA of 9.9. I'd say that's pretty damn good. Anyway, if you have questions about flathead resurfacing, give me a call here at Costa Mesa R&D. We'll see you soon.